Rubik's Cube. So every one of us would have been at least once used it to solve the Rubik's Cube. So why do we solve the Rubik's Cube? So there are a lot of reasons. Somebody wants fun, or somebody wants a mental exercise, or somebody wants to impress someone. So whatever would be the reason, solving this is a fun. So in today's video, we are going to see how to solve a Rubik's Cube using C#, and we are using a separate Kociemba algorithm to solve the Rubik's Cube. So that program and how the algorithm is being used, that we are going to see it. But before that, I am Vivek Kumar, and I welcome to you in my channel Vivek Kumar budhiTowardsWisdom, where we have a lot of C#.net or other technical videos where if you go through it, of course you will get benefited. So back to the topic. So what exactly is a Rubik's Cube? So as you can see, so this is a Rubik's Cube, and it is a six-sided. It's a cube with 6 sides and 6 different colors. And now we will ask, like, why to solve the Rubik's Cube? So again, it's a fun and it's a very good puzzle to be solved in your spare time and all. So how it gets solved, when you think that this cube gets solved? So if you can see, here is the one color yellow, so this is the solve. The same color should be there in all the rest of the 5 sides, maybe orange, green, blue, white, so including yellow. So again, if you see here, it's a scrambled puzzle, and different sides have a different color, so it should not be like this. So again, so each side having a 9 small square. Okay, so that you need to rotate like this, whichever way, so that you need to rotate like this, whichever way you like it to do it. So that is there, and horizontal or vertical you need to rotate, and you have to solve it. So let's jump into the code and see how we can solve this one. So before going ahead, we will be seeing what are the notation of Rubik's Cube. So Rubik's Cube in the sense of, in the terms of programming. So in programming would be in terms of we are not physically rotating it, but we are solving like horizontal we are solving, or or vertical we are rotating it. So we are solving, we are just removing either this way or this way. Okay, so that is done. So using notations, so it works, the program with the notation. So like you turn 90-degree clockwise. If you do 90-degree clockwise, so that you can do. So see, like this. So you are turning 90-degree clockwise. So this is, and sometimes you are horizontally rotating it like this. So we are doing a U dash, again clockwise 90-degree and anti-clock 90-degree. Again, you to turn the up into 180-degree, and the complete rotation, clockwise, anti-clockwise, which way, 180-degree or 90-degree, everything is notation is there. U dashed and all. Again, we have a D dashed. So turn the down face, up face, left face, right side, back face. So as it can be rotated at different ways. So the same thing has been used into our program. So we'll jump into the program now. So we'll see the code now, and as you see, we have here 2-phase solver, and here we have a lot of classes, and each class is having different methods, and each method does some particular thing, atomic thing. So like for example, get U to param, and what it does is go through path, go to file and check the path and do the required things. So again, load sort table 2D, it checks about the 2D thing with the chunk size, constants we are having, what we have defined, like notations we have seen, right, and COC, and again coordinates, cubes, moves are there. You can see all these moves has been defined. Okay, so you can give a problem, so that with that problem it will solve the Rubik's Cube. So again, we have a lot of things, you can go through it, but before going through it, let me show you from where I have get this program. So it's a 2-phase solver from the Kociemba algorithm. So here you can go through this documentation and all for the more detail. So next what we'll do is we'll go to the program, and we'll see the main program solver test, which exactly is calling different again. It's an entry point where we have a defined main and the program with the solver test. So what it does, this calls random move. It gets a random move pattern, and then it solves the pattern solve. It solves in a two-phase way. So we'll see how it works. So we'll run this program. Okay, so it is running, debugging. I will do one thing, I will just execute this program and we'll see. So here is the output. So you can see at the bottom, so phase 1 move, phase 2 move. So whatever problem you have given, so that can be moved like the notations, like moving 90-degree clockwise, anti-clockwise, 180-degree down, up, like all these notations are given. So if you once you will go through each phase, finally you can solve the puzzle, Rubik's Cube puzzle. And before that, it has they found the solution and depth each the module or markup, they run it, and totally 10 depth they run and move in that way. So again you can go through this program and you can solve this here by using it. And if you want to go to the more depth, please write in the comment section. Okay, we'll make another video where we can show you one each line by line and graphically that how this problem solving the Rubik's Cube problem. Okay, and write in the comment section for it. Hope you would have been learned about how the Rubik's Cube problem using Kociemba algorithm in C#.net get helps and we solve it. So with this programming, we are solving the Rubik's Cube and making fun, and we have a two-phase, one phase one phase for the certain move and the second phase for the certain move. At the end we are solving the problem. So this is good, hope you would have learned. And if you want more detail, because the programming we have seen today not into the much depth, I thought of making it short just to introduce and make you aware that these things are also possible with C#. So please go through different videos of this channel. You will of course learn many things. Last video we have made a Ghibli calling APIs, that would be also one knowledge point to you. So please take care of yourself for today. That's it. If you more know about today's program in a depth, please write in the comment section and let me know. So till then, bye, take care.